Here we go. Day 3, Monster 3. This guy is an alien octopus. 8 tentacles in all. Once the head is shaped, we are going to add an alien wing to each side of his head. Once those wings are in place, we're going to hit it into fast forward. Now we'll start the 8 tentacles and work on his mouth. Add a toothy grin and erase the extra pencil lines all around. Time for some color outlining. Now we'll add some watercolor. Be careful to use the right mixture. Not too strong, not too watery. This is delicate paper. Now some black marker outlining to make the contrast look really good. Just a few more details and this alien octopus is complete. Please subscribe. See you tomorrow for more monster fun.